Good day. My name is Giovanni Garcia. I am going to explain the activity Inventions passive voice. John P. invented the traffic light in 1868. John P. invented the two-color traffic light. The traffic light is given to control the traffic. William Pass employed the traffic light in 1920. Traffic light was photographed with LED light. The traffic light was given to control the pedestrian stop. The traffic light was given with animated image. The traffic light was given not to damage the environment. The traffic light is given to overtake of stopped vehicles and people. The traffic light was invented in London. Thank you.